Today in our 2016 Dodge Dart, we're doing a test fit of the Rhino Rack Roof Rack kit. This is consisting of part numbers RRRVA 126B-2. It's going to be our Vortex Aero crossbars. For our legs, we're using the 2500 series legs for Vortex crossbars, part number RRRLKVA. And then our custom fit kit for our Dodge Dart, we're using part number DK402. So everything you see here on our vehicle is what is included. We are going to show you how to put the back bar on because it is the same as the front bar. We'll also show you how to put together one of the leg kits with the fit kit parts. So everything on the table comes included with your kit. The only thing that you'll need to provide is a flat tape measure of some sort. But we have our leg kit with our locking covers. We've got our included tool that's going to tighten everything down. Our keys to lock our covers. This portion is the fit kit. We have our end caps with the plastic locks, and then we have our key to lock the end caps on. Once again, we have this side already done. We're going to show you how to put together the last part. We'll take off this bottom piece here. It just pops right off. We're going to start by loosening up this bolt and completely take it out. We'll then grab the clamp part of our fit kit and we'll tighten that bolt back down just enough so that it holds the clamp in place. Set that off to the side. We'll grab the rubber bottom part of our fit kit and we're going to put it onto the plastic bottom that we took off. We want to make sure that our arrows are facing the same direction. So we want those facing out whenever we put them onto our leg kit. And we're just going to squeeze this together until all the holes have been closed. Now we can take this. Again, we want to make sure that the arrow faces out, so face it towards the clamp, and it just pops back on. Now we'll slide this onto our crossbar, making sure that nut is lined up. We'll slide it in. I'm going to tighten down my bolt just a little bit so that it holds our foot pack upright a little better. Then we'll take our flat tape measure and we're going to measure out 17.3 centimeters. Just going to double check that measurement. Perfect. And then this is the bolt that we use to tighten that down. That's going to secure this in place, prevent it from moving up and down the crossbar, giving us an even crossbar overhang on the outside. So now I'll take my end caps for my crossbars. I'm just going to slide those in place and use my included key to lock those on. All right, now we're ready to load this up onto our vehicle. We need to open up our vehicle doors and we can set this in place. Now, one thing to keep in mind while loading up your crossbar and tightening everything down is that whatever we do to one side, we always want to do to the other, just to make sure that everything's even. We don't have our crossbar sitting unevenly or pulling from one side to the other. That's going to ensure that anything that we load up onto our crossbar is going to fit perfectly and be secured to our vehicle's roof. So I'm just going to adjust it so that everything sits around, clamps around on the outside. Now we'll take our flat tape measure once again, and we're going to measure out our crossbar spread. That's going to be from the center of our front clamp to the center of our back clamp. We're going to have 70 centimeters for that. Now we'll do the same thing to the other side. From center to center. Then once we have that in place, we can take our tool and go back and forth, tightening these down evenly. So I already have them where they're just about tight enough up against the door frame, so I'm just going to start to tighten them down, doing about 5 to 10 turns on each side. Doing this evenly is going to help prevent our crossbar from pulling to one side or the other and sitting unevenly, which could cause them to come off of your roof or cause damage to your vehicle's roof. So you want to make sure that this is as precise as we can get it. So what's really great about these crossbars is that they have this weather strip along the top that's going to help cushion any kind of bike racks or other accessories, whether that's cargo baskets or cargo boxes. It's going to help cushion that, but the weather strip can also be removed, and you can actually use this for C-channel mounted accessories. And then you can cut that weather strip to set it in between where those channel mounts are going to be. So it's going to reduce that wind noise and drag as well. And then with this locking end cap on our crossbar, that's going to help to prevent theft and tampering of any channel mounted accessories. So you'll see our tool is straightening out here. That's when we know we have enough torque behind our bolt. So we're just going to do the same thing to the other side, making sure that we have enough torque behind this bolt as well. Perfect. Now we can grab our covers for our crossbar. Place it on. And lock it into place. And this is going to help to prevent theft and tampering of your crossbar kit as a whole. So with everything locked up, we're ready to load up our gear and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Rhino Rack Roof Rack kit and how it fits on our 2016 Dodge Dart.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.